Hi, welcome to MarineMax Houston. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of our 2020 Scout 355 LXF. This boat's powered by triple Mercury 300 Verados with a joystick piloting control. We've also got a nice large live well located here in the transom. Easy access. It is insulated, can double as another cooler. We've got two large fish boxes located down here on the floor. They just kind of run back forward. They're going to mirror each other on both port and starboard side. Located underneath the mezzanine seat on the back side of the console, we've got a SeaKeeper 3. So make it nice and smooth on those rough days out on the water. We do also have the shade for the hardtop, which will retract back in. We've got some extra rod storage. Lots of speakers on the boat. Nice concert-worthy stereo system. On the port side over here, we've got a dive door located. Makes it nice and easy for getting in and out of the boat, whether you're in the water or on the dock. We've got our ladder stored over here and raw and freshwater washdowns. So we work our way forward. Up here on the helm, we've got seating for 3. Nice carbon fiber steering wheel, VHF radio, two 12-inch Garmins. Sorry for the interruption. We've got two 12-inch Garmins, Mercury vessel view, joystick control, and then everything's nice and easy at the fingertips. SeaKeeper control up here on the dash, which we can control all of our switching throughout the whole boat here on either display, and even the SeaKeeper controls as well. So this boat does have radar, fish finder, autopilot built in with the joystick, so a really nice setup for getting out on the water. We've also got a solar power backup for the AC, for the air conditioner, and the SeaKeeper, which is located on top of the hardtop. Kind of work our way forward. It's a big, nice open bow area. Lots of nice seating and lounging around, fold-out armrests. We do pick up some extra storage in the front of the sun lounge as well. Nice open area up here. Cushions are removable, so it makes it nice and easy for fishing throughout the whole boat. We've got extra rod holders up here, rod holders and / cup holders, so there's not a bad place to fish anywhere on the boat. Kind of work our way down to the cabin, and you'll notice you do have a head located down below. And again, this is air conditioned as well. We've got a nice lounge area that will convert into a table, TV, nice open windows, and then all of our switching and controls is located here on the main bulkhead. Thank you again for taking a tour of our 2020 Scout 355 LXF.